Just one night, all we got. Just one night, all we got.
I see a lot of people. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I haven't even said my name yet. Thank you. By the way, my name is Muna, guys. It's so nice to see you guys. Of course, thank you so much for joining me on this Saturday evening for Juice's 16th anniversary. 16 years old. Wow. That is a sweet 16. It's still cute. It's still very innocent. I see a lot of people upstairs. What are you doing up there? Come down. What are you doing? Huh? Better view? No, actually, you get a better view down here. Because later on, we're going to have some very exciting competitions happening. We're going to have hair competitions, dance battles, so you want to be in the action itself. So if you're far away, you're at the bar, grab your drink and then come on down here because we're starting really, really soon. And if you take photos today, if you take photos of me, I'm posing right here. If you take photos of yourself, you take selfies with your friends, make sure you hashtag JuiceIs16 and hashtag JuiceSG. Okay, give it up for Juice! Yeah. Very good out there. See, okay, I want everyone to go Juice, Juice, Juice. I want more energy, guys. It's a birthday party. Come on. Juice, 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 Juice. Do you have any special message to Juice for the 16th anniversary?
Happy birthday, sweet 16.
Very, very deep, boys. Okay, give it up for Konglo. He can give away the simple message, you know, with the voice. Happy birthday. No. I love it. Okay. I want to feel the love for Sugar.
Yeah!
Yeah. That is weak. Okay, no. You gotta scream for Sugar. Scream! Remember, watch your wallets tonight. Don't lose your money. Wise words from Sugar. Aaron Chung, where are you? Loud and proud. See, the stickers are all over his head. Are you wearing a cap or is that your hair? Your hair! That is loyalty, okay? Yes, we have to take a photo first. We always have to take a photo with the winner. Just pose. Someone's gonna take. Once again, thank you so much for being here with me tonight. My name is Luna. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I'll see you guys at the after party.